Hello my shadow crafters. Today I'm gonna show you a little technique I developed. I don't know if it's new, but I had a bunch of these. I don't remember what they're called, but they're round and you can kind of like make jewelry with it, but it's cellophane or something like that. So my lights were just a bit too bright for me, so I'm trying to diffuse them. So I just discovered that they can actually fit these little mini lights. And I just lost that. Sorry. Make sure they don't fall apart on you because some of them aren't made right. Okay. So what I did is string it through. Oh, I have both of them here. And I don't know if you can see that. I took my UV resin, coated the light, and oh, I got it. And see, it's not so bright now. Of course, I like blue, so. And you just, I guess you can mute it to whatever color you want. I forgot what these are called, but these are really, really cool. Like some form of hollow confetti. And this is a short string. This has got maybe 10 lights on it. Which my sister got me from the dollar store, the Dollar Tree. Yeah, 10. And there you have it. Got a tinge of blue in there instead of pure white. It's actually kind of cool. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell. Drop me off, some coffee. Have a good day. Namaste.